Hi guys! Welcome sa bago na namang recipe! Today, gagawa tayo ng homemade special maha blanca. Easy lang to! Here are the ingredients. Cornstarch or corn flour, cream corn, corn kernel, sugar, coconut milk, evaporated milk, condensed milk. But first, gagawa muna tayo ng latik for toppings. Ihalo na lahat ng mga ingredients. Palamigin bago i-serve. At ito na ang ating creamy maha blanca.